Hello everyone and welcome to the Henry channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can increase the resolution of your videos in the iPhone. You can also increase the frame rate and the resolution even if you're in slow-mo. So all you have to do is go to settings and then here you're going to see the camera settings. From here you can increase and decrease the resolution of your camera. So guys, that's all in this video and thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.